the thing gonna be outside? Yeah. No, I'm recording. I'm saying, but is it gonna open?
No.
Not yet.
Just do the. You're only gonna be able to see it from the bridge.
Oh.
But you record out the window. It's a nice view.
That shit look feel funny, don't it? Oh, I can see the what's the name?
Yeah.
Skyline and shit.
So I'm saying it's a nice view.
Yeah.
You get some views on it.
Oh yeah, for sure. That's high as shit, cuz.
No, right?
That's scary.
I was scared for a while, bro. I ain't gonna lie, but I like it now.
You start putting stuff on YouTube, little bro.
No.
Why don't you?
I don't know. I just be on my own shit. I have to,
You on your own shit, little bro?
Yeah.
I walked the Camden Bridge before.
You did?
Yeah, it was scary, bro. I walked the Camden Bridge. Look at that view. That's crazy. American water. I think that's the Camden, yeah.
That's the Cameron boardwalk.
Yeah, I was nervous to walk that bridge, bro. I walked it, though. I definitely did. Ooh, that do look kind of scary.
Look at that stage. Look at the baseball zone.
I see it. That's the tennis joint.
Yeah. Damn, she looks bad.
That's white girl. Yep.
We're about to go back inside the tunnel.